welcome back on my channel. My name is Olia Yefimcuk and I'm currently 15 years old and I am already an English tutor in Ukraine. Currently I'm tutoring online. I have some students in Poland, in Ukraine and in other countries in the world. So today I would like to tell you the story, how did I manage to do it. Basically I started tutoring at the age of 13 and I've been tutoring for 1.5 years. And I'm going to continue doing that until I go to the university. So basically, how this story started. I was just maybe thinking, well, if I really like English and if I can speak fluently at the age of 13, why can't I start tutoring people, maybe like A1 students, A2 students? And I was thinking that this idea was kind of impossible at my age because, you know, like tutors, like teachers, they are maybe like 30, 20 years old minimum, right? I was thinking a lot about it until my friend, my best friend in the US, thank you so much by the way, I know that you're watching this video, thank you so much really. He helped me to find my first student and I started tutoring. Finally, I was extremely happy. I was making literally miserable amount of money, maybe like $2 per hour, but it didn't matter to me back then. All that mattered is that I'm doing something, I'm working, I'm currently improving myself. That was the moment I was really proud of myself. Later on, I started doing advertising on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, and then I started gaining more and more students. I found a student in New York, who's from Ukraine. I found students in Poland, Ukraine, and in other countries in Europe. So actually, I got lucky in this case because if I didn't find a friend in the US, I wouldn't be able to tutor actually, because I wouldn't be able to find really my first student. I think I would, but I was just really scared to do it. You know, that was a really scary moment when I was, you know, trembling before my first lesson with my first student, and I had to really make a good impression, right? But I got really scared and I was like shaking. Finished the lesson, I realized that, well, I can be an English tutor. It's not really that difficult, you know. If you learn the methods of tutoring, it's not really that difficult. So, you know, after started tutoring in summer, I could already afford going to Greece, to summer camp in Greece, for my own money, which was amazing. Basically, who doesn't know, I can also speak Spanish fluently right now. I learned it on my own. First, it was English, as you know, and the second language was Spanish, exactly, Spanish. Yo puedo hablar español, eso es mi amor. Me gusta mucho hablar en español con mis amigos, también de México, de España y de todos otros países. Y también me gusta mucho todos los idiomas, excepto alemán. In the future, I would probably like to learn more languages. I would like to learn maybe French, and maybe Italian. I really hope that this video can help you to understand that everything is possible. Your age is just a number. It doesn't matter at all. All that matters is your soul, your hard work, and your mindset. Think that this is impossible to be an English tutor at the age of 13. But I managed to do it. So can you? Are you different? No. You're capable of doing anything and everything, okay? I believe in you. I always did and I always will. But it doesn't matter if I believe in you. All that matters is if you believe in yourself, okay? So that's the most important thing. I really hope that you will finally believe in yourself. You will finally do this thing. You will finally do this task. I know it's really easy to say and it's really hard to do, but make a plan, like small steps toward your goals, right? Small steps and you will manage to do it. Just don't listen to other losers who tell you, this is impossible to do it. Who are they to tell you all of that bullshit? They're no one. I was told the same things, don't worry. So, just don't listen to them, please. Listen to yourself and to people who actually support you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it helped you, it maybe motivated you, and I hope you really enjoyed it. So, see you on my next videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.